Good Tuesday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. We had a nice break here from the rain that we saw last night. Cooler temperatures working in this morning, but this break in the rain will be short-lived as we're going to see rain returning tonight and then very wet weather coming in for Wednesday and Thursday. So let's take a look at your 7-day forecast, which is going to feature some very active weather as we go through the middle portion of this week. Today we get a nice little break here in the rain. We should see some drier conditions, cooler than yesterday, but then we'll get right back to a spring-like feel Wednesday and Thursday. We've got temperatures getting into the 60s on Thursday with some heavy rain, and we could even see a couple of thunderstorms and gusty winds on Thursday. And then once we get past Thursday, much better weather comes in Friday and Saturday. We should see lots of sunshine, but we're going to see about a 45-degree temperature drop from the high Thursday to the temperatures as we go into Friday morning. So an incredible swing in temperatures as well. So let's take a look at the rain that will start to work in this evening. As we get closer to sunset, we could see a few showers. Rain will increase tonight, and tomorrow is going to be a soggy day. Definitely a day where you need the umbrella, and really the same can be said for Thursday. Here's a look at Thursday. We have a strong storm system working in, heavy rain possible. Thursday will also feature winds that will really start to increase, as we show you here. Winds could gust at times around 40 or plus miles per hour at times Thursday afternoon. And as we go through the weekend, it looks like the weekend starts with sunshine and cold but dry weather. And then Sunday, our next system to watch, which could bring a wintry mix here, rain and snow on Sunday, and also another chance for a little bit of snow later on Monday. So there is some winter weather coming back to the forecast, but in the meantime, it's going to be more like spring for the next couple of days with a chance for heavy rain. We could see up to 2 inches of rain here in Indy between now and Thursday evening. So thanks for checking out this forecast. Hope you guys have a great day.